8,000 acres of corn and soybeans, and then we raise pigs from about 1,200 sows, which is about 25,000 a year total that we would sell. We've seen somewhere between a 10 and 20% price drop off of our gross sales, and which, you know, our given profit margins we have, that's enough to take a majority chunk out of our profits right there. We're certainly hoping that this trade dispute is temporary. If it carries on, if it goes long enough that the the countries find alternate sources, that they encourage production in other places. You know, once those investments are made, then that competitive environment changes, and then all of a sudden we're in a very oversupplied situation. It's very difficult to work our way back into that market, both from the supply chain aspect, but also just from a supply and demand aspect. So if this, and it really doesn't have to go on that much longer, to where a lot of these structural changes will start to take place. I do not view myself as a single issue voter. I'm not going to walk in and vote strictly about trade or my own personal economy. But at the same time, it affects it, right? And so, yeah, I think that this issue will be a big one for farmers, and it won't be the only thing they care about. But if it goes on, and it really the pain looks to be less temporary and more permanent, I think there's going to be a reaction for that.
We need to protect our business, and we need to not be held hostage by other countries and companies. It's very important that we get our markets back that we've built over the last 20 years. When you don't have a direct impact on something, there's not a lot you can do. I just have to have a little faith that the administration will handle this in a quick manner and get it taken care of.
There are literally hundreds, thousands of farms our size across the country, and with our livestock and grain, we have total jobs covered of around 25 people, including our contractors. And you know, you multiply that over the entire, you know, this industry in this country. I mean, it's a huge number of people and their livelihood that would be affected by this.